Hello guys, watch how physics is applied in real life through this Christmas period. I have a physics Christmas question to solve with you. Very simple. You can solve this question within 1 minute. This is an exam focused question. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow the Facebook page and the TikTok page. Give me a thumbs up, right? Let's go there, okay? A Christmas snowball of mass 0.5 kg is thrown at 8 meters per second toward a snowman. Calculate the momentum of the snowball. B. If it comes to rest in 0.2 seconds, find the force exerted on the snowman, right? Now, the first thing we need to do is that let's bring out what is given in the question. What I have here, I have my mass here. This is my mass M is equal to 0.5 kg. This is my velocity. V is 8 meters per second, right? The first thing, okay, I have other thing that is given. This is my time, all right? So let me just write my T is 0.2 seconds, right? Good. Now, so for A, we are asked to calculate the momentum of the snowball. So momentum of the snowball, P, is equal to the product of the mass and its velocity, right? Good. So my mass is what? 0.5 times my velocity is 8. So if I multiply this, what I'm going to have? I'm going to have 4 kilogram meter per second. This is my momentum, right? The next B, if it comes to rest in 0.2 seconds, find the force. Now, force F is equal to change in momentum over time, right? Now, our momentum is 4 kilogram meter per second and my time is 0.2. So what I have is 4 divided by 0.2. This is going to give me 20 Newton. You see, just 2 steps, very simple. And this is how they ask question in exam. If you don't understand the principle, you will be confused in the example. You see, they are just very simple questions that you can solve within 1 minute. All right, please let me know at the comment section if you have any question. Okay, stay back for more physics Christmas question. All right, bye.